这是什么？
I'm ready!
Wow! Look at that one! I'm gonna catch you!
Okay, real talk for a second. Most people right now are paying anywhere from $30 to $40 a month just to use Grok AI. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it for around $2. Yeah, literally $2. Maybe even cheaper depending on where you live. If you're into AI tools that can help you save time and actually make money online, make sure you hit that subscribe button on JACKY AI Flow. And don't skip this video, seriously. Missing just one small step could cost you a trick that most people have no idea about. Before we jump in, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried using AI to write scripts, but the result just felt kind of robotic, like something was missing? That's exactly why a lot of people are switching over to Grok. It's insanely good at natural conversations, especially if you're creating storytelling content, AI-generated videos, short cinematic clips. And honestly, what I love most, the output actually feels human, like something a real person would say. Step 1. Head over to X, Twitter. If you don't have an account yet, just create one real quick. It takes like 2 minutes. Just follow what I'm doing on screen here. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon, then select Premium. Now you'll see a few different plans here. The basic plan doesn't include Grok, but there's a cheaper plan, around $2 to $2.50 per month. And this is the one we're looking for. Go ahead and pick the cheapest option. At first, it might be super low. Later, it could go up to around $5 per month, but that's still way cheaper than the regular pricing. If you're building a YouTube channel or doing AI content, this is honestly a no-brainer. I know a lot of people don't want to spend much money up front, and that's totally fine. Start small, test your workflow, and then scale later if you need to. Once you've subscribed, go back to your profile. So you'll now see an option called Open Grok. Click on that. When the login screen shows up, there's one important thing you need to know. Don't use Gmail. Click Continue with X, then hit Authorize App. This basically connects your X account to Grok. All right, now you're inside Grok. Let's test it real quick to make sure everything is working. Click on Imagine, then choose Animate Photo. Your video will start generating. By default, you might get around 480p quality. Short clips like 5 to 6 seconds in. But you can also upscale to 720p, increase the length like 8 to 10 seconds. And trust me, the quality jump is noticeable. As you can see, the output looks really solid. Smooth visuals, decent motion. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. Just download it, and you're good to go. Before we wrap this up, let me just say this. If I can do this, you can 100% do it too. And probably even better. If you found this helpful, drop a like. Subscribe to JACKY AI Flow. And comment below what AI tool you want me to cover next. I read every single comment. So your idea might be in the next video. See you in the next one.